Hi, I'm Michael Rubino, and here's all the reasons you should absolutely not use bleach to remove mold. The first problem is mold is there for a reason. That reason is it has too much moisture mixed with the amount of seeds or spores that meet that moisture, similar to how a seed from a weed becomes another weed. So if you use bleach to remove mold, it'd be exactly the same thing as going into your garden and chopping a weed off at the head of the weed instead of pulling it from its roots. Because mold, just like weeds, has roots called hyphae. So if you want to remove mold, what you actually need to do is find the source of water intrusion, resolve it, and then physically remove the material the mold is growing into. What happens when you kill it? What's left there? A dead organism, all these different particles that you could still be breathing in. The reality of it is the best actual practice of killing mold is not to kill it at all. It's to remove it. And then cleaning to remove the residual spores and toxins. So what I would use is I would use something like a wire brush. I would physically remove the hyphae from the concrete block. I would then use something like Benefect Decon 30, a antimicrobial agent that is 100% botanical. And I would scrub the surface clean. I would then HEPA vacuum it to make sure there is nothing else that could be left behind. And then I would call in a post-inspection company to come in and test it to make sure it is perfect before I close it back up. And I understand opening up a wall and putting it back and doing that process is more costly. But if I just wipe the surface of this in this example, I wouldn't remove all of the mold because it's growing into the structure at that point. This happens all the time. So it's really important that you understand how to do this process properly. Problem number 2, have you actually ever read the instructions on the bleach bottle? You'll notice there's a massive warning label that tells you you must use it in a well-ventilated space. The reason being, it's a harsh chemical, and you're constantly breathing in this harsh chemical as you're using it. This is not good for your health. There is no reason to use bleach. And look, I get it. We kind of grew up around bleach, and we almost associate that smell with a clean smell. However, it is not the most effective way to clean our homes. You see, there are all kinds of botanical alternatives, like Benefect Decon 30, for example, that can help us clean our homes, remove things like mold and bacteria, as long as we identify the source of moisture that allowed that mold or bacteria to grow in the first place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use something botanical like Benefect Decon 30 and Microfiber Towels. Now, why microfiber? They're 100 times more effective than a paper towel or a terry cloth because they literally are designed to trap these particles and embed them into the fibers. So using these microfiber towels and something botanical like Benefect Decon 30, I'm going to wipe down walls, floors, on top of moldings, doors, etc. Pretty much anywhere where dust can collect in the vicinity of where the sources were. Here's problem number 3. Mold has what's called a self-defense mechanism. And what it does is it produces toxins when it feels threatened. Now, usually, the whole point of this self-defense mechanism is one species of mold is trying to kill off another species of mold or maybe even bacteria because they're fighting over the same real estate, that same source of water intrusion or moisture intrusion. And so we happen to be innocent bystanders of literally a chemical warfare happening behind our walls. That's why it is a much better option to use a botanical cleaning agent to remove mold from your house, because it is much safer to make sure we're doing everything that we possibly can to not be inhaling and ingesting more mycotoxins. So in summary, you're gonna promise me you're not gonna use bleach anymore because 1, it doesn't actually solve the problem of the water intrusion and the reason mold is growing in the first place. Number 2, because of the whole idea that if the mold won't kill you, the bleach will. Remember that big warning label we spoke about. And finally, number 3, because bleach can actually trigger that self-defense mechanism and create more toxins, which is counter to what we're trying to do. And last but not least, do me a favor. If you liked the content that I created here, please like, share, and subscribe. I can't do this alone.